Welcome to TreeBills. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to update your business settings and manage multiple businesses from a single account. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. At the top, you'll find your current business name and information. To manage your businesses or access settings, simply tap on your business name at the top. This opens the Manage Business panel, where you can see all your businesses. Here, you can see all businesses you have access to. Each business shows your role, whether you're an admin or a user. Only admins can modify business settings. To switch between businesses, simply tap on any business in the list. The app will immediately switch to that business and update all your data. To access your business settings, open the Manage Business panel again and tap the settings icon on your current business. Note, this icon is only visible if you're an admin. The business settings screen lets you manage all your business information in one place. You can update your logo, business name, contact details, address, bank information, and more. Let's see how to update each one. To change your business logo, tap on the logo at the top. You can choose to take a photo or select from your gallery. Once you select an image, it will be uploaded and displayed immediately. To update your business name, tap on the business name option, enter your new business name in the text field, and tap Save. Your business name will be updated across the app. Updating contact details is just as easy. Tap on Phone Number to edit your mobile number. You can also update your landline, email, and website using the same process. For your business address, tap on Business Address. Enter your complete address including street, city, state, and PIN code. This address will appear on your invoices and documents. To add or update your bank details, tap on Bank Details. Enter your bank name, account number, IFSC code, and other relevant information. This helps your customers make payments directly to your account. You can also update your business type by selecting from various categories like retail, wholesale, services, manufacturing, and more. This helps categorize your business appropriately. Want to manage multiple businesses? Go back to the Manage Business panel and tap Add New Business at the bottom. You can create and manage as many businesses as you need, all from one account. At the bottom of Settings, you'll find the Delete Business option. Use this with caution. Deleting a business is permanent and will remove all associated data. Only business admins can perform this action. That's it. You now know how to manage your business settings in TreeBills. Remember, tap your business name at the top, then the settings icon to access all your business information. Update it anytime to keep your profile and invoices accurate. Download TreeBills today and start managing your business professionally. Available on Android, iOS, and web. Thanks for watching.